This is what I wake up to. I had to go to the bathroom, came back. That's my cousin Brian sleeping. Who sleeps like that? That's just some weird